Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with a girl dipped in chocolate. So tomorrow is July 4th, America's birthday. So it's a big deal in America, so I have to celebrate it with them. But we're gonna celebrate it in the Jamaican way. So we're gonna start off the night with some rum and rum games. So let's go!
Boy, I hope this is simple for you. I gave me come to play a blood clot.
So guys, I started my day off at Zudi's Cafe where I got a sandwich and coffee. I had the Alaskan sandwich and it was so delicious. So there were flags and colorful flags and all that waving about. This was actually the day before. They were setting up. There were food trucks outside. They had flags and everything waving. They were doing a setup for a marathon race. And the police literally evacuated all the cars on the sidewalk. If your cars were there after 6 p.m., it would get towed. It was just a big day for them. Seward is a town that is very festive and vibesy. Rain started falling, but that did not stop the parade. That did not stop the events. A lot of persons were out, a lot of Sewardians. I don't know if that's the right word to say. Sewardians were out, food trucks were out, different things to try. It was so delicious. I had a reindeer hot dog, as you see me going right here. It's called the Alaskan reindeer sausage. It was really delicious, and they had a lot of other things.
Much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seems like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it that high. Hey. 4L13, stepping on shit to this pot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, let's have sex and
This is Princess. The princess decided to wear high heel come to work today just because it's July 4th. So look at her walking in heels, and she's planning to serve in the heels today. So yeah, big up Princess. Guys, this is a game of get the money at the top of the pole where you would work as a team and literally climb a slippery pole to get like $100 or something US dollars at the top. So these are kids trying, but you know they are too short. But the other video will show some men who actually succeeded. So I didn't get to film a lot of stuff for you, but I'm going back to work now. So I'm going back to work, and then after I'll be going to the bar to finish celebrating. So I'm gonna get my hair done and go to the bar.
Bumbleclad.
Pussyclad.
Fuck.
No, nothing. Hey, why you tell him to say that? Say the right word. Say the right word.
Bumbo.
Bumbo. Yeah, these are all. White rum, yeah, and just be like that. It's the J Ray and nephew rum. They say there are 3 spirits in you: Jay, Ray, and his nephew. So that's why you get like totally drunk, like really, really drunk. Yeah. Tomorrow morning you won't like wake up. Yeah. Yeah, for real, cause it was like 3. I drank 3 of these last night, and then I felt like a little tipsy, but I wasn't drunk.
UCHETES.
Wicked.
And then ACHUT sits.
Sits. Yeah. Sits is one word. TT.
That was part of
You
it.
almost got it.
Ask him. Are you ready? Your bumper class.
Spell the word. Your word.
Bumble class, go fuck yourself. I know bumble class. I worked in Jamaican for years. It's bumble class. Never there.
Alright. Spell bumper class.
Yeah.
That's BULBUCLOTT. I don't know.
Well, it wasn't far though. Come again.
Go again. Second turn.
Bum, B-U-M.
Bum.
B-A.
Clat. Not those spell like cloth. Clat.
C-L-A-U.
No, C-L-A-A-T. Clat. Bumper clat.
Okay, I was close.
Alright, spread it.
I was close.
Spread it, mama, spread it.
This is yours. Pussy clot.
Fuck off.
So yeah, my chocolate babies, that's how I spent my 4th of July. But guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell on to be notified when the girl different chocolate uploads another video. Mwah.